Hello students of Standard 10th. Welcome to the digital campus of DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin with an online session of science. Our today's topic is Introduction to Control and Coordination. Plant hormones and movements. Plant hormones. Control and coordination in plants are carried out by hormones like auxins, helps in growth of plant tissues. Cytokinin promotes cell division, delays aging of cells. Gibberellins helps in growth of stem, initiates seed germination, promotes flowering, cell division and seed growth after germination. Abscisic acid inhibits growth and causes wilting of leaves, promotes dormancy of buds and seeds. And the last one is ethylene. This is a gaseous hormone which causes ripening of fruits. Growth independent movement. The movements which are not growth related are called nastic movements. These movements occur in response to environmental stimulus, but the direction of response is not dependent on the direction of the stimulus. The movement in the touch me not plant is thigmonastic movement, movement in response to the touch. Growth related movements in plants. The movements which are growth related are called tropic movements. These movements occur in response to environmental stimuli and the direction of the response is depend on the direction of the stimulus, like phototropic movements, light dependent; geotropic movement, gravity dependent; chemotropic movement, chemical dependent; hydrotropic movement, water dependent; and the thigmotropic movement, touch dependent. Let's start with geotropism. Movement of plants parts in response to Earth's gravitational force is known as geotropism or gravitropism. In this, plants move towards gravity in positive geotropism, away from gravity in negative geotropism. Roots grow towards gravity and shoots grow away from gravity. Next one is phototropism. Movement of plant parts in response to light is known as phototropism. Towards light shows positive phototropism, away from light shows negative phototropism. Stem moves towards light and root moves away from the light. Hydrotropism. Movement of plant parts in response to water or moisture. Towards water shows positive hydrotropism, away from water shows negative hydrotropism. Again, root movement in search of water is positive hydrotropism. Chemotropism. Movement of plant parts in response to chemical stimulus is known as chemotropism. Towards chemicals shows positive chemotropism, away from chemicals shows negative chemotropism. The growth of pollen tube towards the ovule is positive chemotropism. Thigmotropism. The movement of plant parts in response to touch is called thigmotropism. Towards touch, positive thigmotropism. Away from touch, negative thigmotropism. Movement of tendrils around the support is positive thigmotropism. The endocrine system consists of various glands like exocrine glands. Exocrine glands are glands that discharge secretions by means of ducts which opens onto an epithelial surface. Endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are the ductless glands which secretes hormones into the bloodstream in human beings. Pituitary gland. It is a pea-sized gland located at the base of the brain. It is the master gland as it controls the secretion of all the other endocrine glands. It also secretes growth hormones, that is GH. Under secretion of growth hormones causes dimorphism, and oversecretion causes gigantism in children and acromegaly in adults. Thyroid gland. It is a butterfly-shaped gland located in the throat. It secretes the hormones thyroxine, which regulates the metabolism of the body. Iodine is required to synthesize thyroxine in the body. In case of iodine deficiency, undersection of thyroxine leads to goiter. Pancreas. It is a leaf-like gland present behind the stomach in the abdomen. It is an endocrine as well as exocrine gland. As an endocrine gland, it manufactures two hormones, insulin and glucose. Both these hormones act anti-diagnostic and regulates the sugar level in the body. As the exocrine gland, it secretes enzymes to break down the protein, lipids, carbohydrates and nucleic acid in foods. Insufficient amount of insulin from pancreas leads to diabetes. Adrenal gland occur in pairs above each kidney. It decreases in size with age. Secretes the hormone adrenaline, which helps in flight and fight response. Also secretes non-adrenaline. Gonads are the gamete producing organs, testes in male and ovaries in females. The testes produce the male hormones testosterone and ovaries produce the female hormone estrogen and progesterone. Testosterone and estrogen helps in producing gametes and are responsible for sexual characteristics in males and females respectively. Progesterone is the pregnancy hormone. Other endocrine organs. These organs include the hypothalamus, parathyroid, pineal, and thymus gland. Now it's time to check your knowledge about today's topic. Here are some questions as your assignment. I hope you understand today's topic. We again meet with new video. Till then, stay at home, be safe, be happy.